So I thought today would kind of be like a what's in my bathroom slash show you my skincare stash kind of thing. This isn't all of my skincare. I really love skincare. I have a lot, but this is the stuff that's my most used stuff. I have got my like everyday routine skincare in the other bathroom, but this is where I take my makeup off. And if I'm gonna have a bath or anything like that, I would do it in here. So it's kind of more pampery type of products and that kind of thing. And I just thought it would be really interesting. So I just wanted to show you what was by my sink firstly. So we have this little random perfume over here is actually from Avon. It's nearly empty, but I just popped it there. This soap dispenser is actually from Asda, and it's really cool because if you do that to it, you get glitter everywhere, and I just thought it was really pretty. Kind of childish, isn't it? But I thought it was cute. That Aldi lime, basil and mandarin hand cream, which is really nice. It's actually a really nice texture. And then the for 7-Eleven little perfume, which I have down there. Then I'm going to show you a really in-depth look at the first shelf. It's kind of three-tiered mirrored shelf, so I'm going to show you the first shelf properly. So here we have the first shelf. So as you can see, this little section over here is mostly serums. So we have things like the La Roche-Posay Redermic R serum. Well, it's not a serum, it's like a retinol treatment, which I've just started using again. The Ordinary Salicylic Acid, the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension. This is the 30% in silicone one, which I'm not loving, but I'm trying to get along with. Then we have the, this is a really good serum actually. This is the Tropic Good Skin Day serum. I really like this. I've used tons of it, as you can see. There's some Paula's Choice there, some Indeed Labs, basically just bits and bobs that I'm trying. Then over here we have this big round thing that's got cotton pads and Q-tips in it. These are my preferred cotton pads. They're baby ones, but they're just really big and comfortable. I think these are from Tesco's, but you can get them from lots of places. I find them really convenient to use. At the back there, I've got a couple of sheet masks that I haven't tried yet. So two from Mask Bar, which I think I need to try tonight, and some from Lidl. Then over at the back over there, I'm not sure how well you can see, but this over here is just one of those like Magitone cleansing devices. I haven't given this a proper test yet, but I will, because I've been using that one, but that's just over there. Some simple cleansing oil, and then I've got two different types of pads, like glycolic pads. So I've got the Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Extreme ones, and the, what is this brand? It's a Superdrug brand, isn't it? The glycolic cleansing pads from Optimum. Then I've got two of the moisturisers that I'm chopping and changing between at the moment, which are, I've just started using this L'Occitane hydrating gel, which is really nice, and the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream, which is nice in this warm weather. Then there's the Essence from L'Occitane. I'm not crazy about that. I think it breaks me out. The Tropic Sun Drops, which I love. Then I've got three different types here of like glycolic slash acid toner. So I've got the Ordinary one, which I really like, the Superdrug one, and the Freedom one. The eye cream I'm using at the moment at night is this one from the Sanctuary. It's the peptide one. Really like that. That's really nice. My spritz of choice at the moment is this one from Superdrug, the vitamin E one. Really like that. And then here I've got my favourite eye makeup remover, which is this Cheap and Cheerful Garnier one. I love it. And then to take the rest of my makeup off, I've been using the Your Good Skin Comforting Gel Cleanser, which is really nice. And then using the Calming Cream Cleanser as my proper cleanse. I do like to take the bulk of my eye makeup off first. I know some people like to just do it all in one go. I don't mind doing it like that. And then I've also got this Tear B Glow device. So basically it's a massage device on that side and a cleansing device on that side, and I really like it. It leaves your skin feeling really glowy and lovely, and I really enjoy using that. So that's kind of my like basic everyday stash. Then moving up here, this is a pretty interesting section. It is face masks and exfoliators. I love face masks. I find them really effective, and I undoubtedly use them 3 times a week or so. So over here, as you can see, I've got a bunch of L'Oreal. So the Sugar Scrub, I really like that. The brightening mask, I'm not crazy about. I really like the blue one from this range and the black one from this range, but I've run out of both of those. This is the mattifying mask, and then I've got the Soap and Glory, the Fab Pore mask. Then this is the Nectar Perfector mask from Be Good. I really like that. This one from the Body Shop, I haven't finished using yet. I'm not entirely sure my opinions on it. And then we've got a bunch of Origin masks, some Dermalogica, some Glam Glow, some Nip and Fab. I'm trying to think of other things to show you that I'm really enjoying. This is a mask I really like. This one is from Balance Me. It's their Radiance mask. I really, really like that. Some Una Brennan, some Good Things. They're really nice masks, actually, really nice soft white clay masks. Really like those. I have also got exfoliators in here. So I've got things like manual exfoliators in terms of the Superdrug Brightening Micro Polish, which I don't mind. This range has been discontinued from Superdrug, sadly. It's the Clearly Youthful range, which was a really, really good range. Sorry, I wasn't holding that the right place, was I? This is the Triple Action Cleanser Mask and Scrub. I use it as a scrub. The Ordinary AHA and BHA Peeling Solution. This is my favourite product from The Ordinary, I think. I like that a lot. This is my second one of these. I use it all the time, undoubtedly once a week. The Queen Helen Mint Julep mask, really, really like that. I've run out nearly. This one I've been enjoying a lot in this warm weather. This is the Murad Oil Control mask, really nice. Just helps to kind of absorb some of the oiliness. But that is it for masks, pretty much. There's a lot there. I do use them all very, very frequently though, so it's not wasteful. And then this section up here is a little bit different. So here I have a bunch of different cleansers. So things like the Soap and Glory Peaches and Clean cleanser, some Superdrug ones, the Nivea one, the hot cloth cleanser from Your Good Skin, the Superdrug hot cloth cleanser, the Aldi, let me get this out and show you. The Aldi hot cloth cleanser, which is really, really good. I actually really do like this. Very similar to the Liz R one. And then next to that, I've just got a bunch of oils that I use for various things. So the Nuxe oil you can use on your body and on your hair, and it looks really pretty, so I really like that. This L'Oreal facial oil is really nice. The Clarins Santal oil, I use that in the winter, it's great. The Sanctuary oil, L'Occitane oil, and then a bunch of aromatherapy Associates oils, which I like very, very much. And then some just random oils at the back there that I don't use very often. And one thing that does always go here is my favourite hairbrush in the world, which is the Tangle Teaser. This is the black one, but it's my favourite hairbrush, so I just shove that there because it's kind of not the prettiest and it kind of annoys me aesthetically. But yeah, that's my skincare stash. I hope you enjoyed this. I really enjoyed making this actually. I really, really like talking about things like this. I felt like I was doing a in the gloss top shelf, which was exciting for me. But yeah, let me know if you want in-depth reviews about anything specific, because I'm happy to do that. And yeah, I love talking about skincare, so any recommendations, hit me up. I am actually looking for a recommendation for a good mattifying daytime serum. Just putting that out there if you've got any recommendations for me. But I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time. Bye.